In the fast-changing world of digital investment, Spaceship Invest has gained solid attention for its low-cost, tech-driven approach to investing. Today, we break down the facts and focus entirely on what matters most, the fees, so you know exactly where your money goes and how much value you get from every dollar invested. Spaceship offers two main portfolios, Spaceship Voyager Universe Portfolio and Spaceship Voyager Earth Portfolio. Both are managed funds designed for long-term investors who prefer simplicity, transparency, and a focus on innovation-driven companies shaping the future. Unlike traditional investment platforms that often bury fees under complex structures, Spaceship takes a more open and investor-friendly approach. Here's the key part: Spaceship Invest charges no entry or exit fees. That means you can start investing or withdraw your funds without losing money to transaction charges. This alone sets it apart from many traditional fund managers who often take a cut at both ends. The standout feature, however, is the management fee. For balances up to $5,000, Spaceship charges no management fee at all. You earn returns on your entire balance without paying anything. Once your balance exceeds $5,000, a 0.05% monthly management fee applies, equivalent to 0.6% per year. This is competitive compared to many investment platforms that charge between 0.7% and 1.5% annually. There are no performance fees, no brokerage costs, and no hidden transaction charges. Spaceship clearly lists its fee structure on every product page, ensuring full transparency. The simplicity of the platform means your returns are not quietly reduced by background deductions or confusing expense ratios. To put it simply, if you invest $10,000, you'll pay only about $60 a year in management fees, leaving the rest of your capital to grow. This cost-effective model allows small investors, beginners, and long-term savers to benefit from compounding without high overhead. Beyond fees, Spaceship also offers automatic investment options, letting you set regular deposits and build your portfolio gradually. Every cent invested above the $5,000 threshold follows the same transparent rule: no surprises, no complexity. The entire structure reflects Spaceship's commitment to accessibility, low fees, no barriers to entry, and easy exit when you're ready. It's designed for investors who value control, clarity, and cost efficiency. The best thing about Spaceship Invest fees is how straightforward they are: no entry fees, no exit fees, no management fees up to $5,000, and just 0.05% monthly thereafter. Whether you're just starting or scaling your investment, this pricing model supports long-term wealth building while keeping your costs at a minimum. If you want a platform that puts transparency first, minimizes fees, and focuses on future-focused portfolios, Spaceship Invest remains one of the most affordable and accessible options available today.